Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. Today on this video we'll be going to Adazi Enu in Anaucha local government area of Anambra State, and in this town it happens that there is a major construction going on in between this town Adazi Enu, and we will take you to this construction site and you will see the linking roads in between this new project going on by the Anambra state government. And I must tell you this, Anambra state government is really active in road infrastructure development. Okay, this administration, if care isn't taken, would be the best administration when it comes to road infrastructure development in Anambra State. I'm saying this without mincing words, because if you look at what is on ground, virtually every part of Anambra State has a particular project going on right now. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, we will bring to you back-to-back updates on major constructions and projects that are going on in Anambra State, Nigeria, and even around Anambra State. So at this point, we are at a place called Awka Adazi Enu. This is Awka Adazi Enu. This is the major market in this town called Adazi Enu. And you can see because of the construction going on, we couldn't drive through with our vehicles, so this project will be going on foot, and we're bringing it to you live and direct, just like always, so you would see the extent at which they have gotten to and the quality of work that is going on in this particular area. So this is Awka Adazi Enu, and there is a major, I would say it's a virgin construction going on right now. You can see the company in charge of this construction or of the project. They are already working on the culverts and then the drainages. Yes, what they are doing actually is trying to get the drainages fixed before grading the roads and then finishing up the work. But what is actually happening here is, this is the drainage system. They are trying to get the drainage system set and ready. You can see also for yourself what I'm talking about. And this road, by this other side, will be linking Adazi Enu to ArthurEze, Igbo, and then Aguleze. And then on the other side, that is on this particular side we are in right now, the road will be linking from Adazi Enu straight to Ukpo, then down to Nobi town. So this is why I said this is a virgin road that is being undertaken by this state government, and really this is the first time such project is coming to this area. Okay, and this project is going to bring about quick development in this area. You can see the drainage system on this side is almost set already, and then we'll also take you to the other side of the road. That's the other side that leads to ArthurEze, Igbo, and Aguleze. So you will also see the extent at which the work have gotten in the other side. So this particular side, this is the road that leads to Ukpo and then straight to Nobi. So they are done with the drainage system on this side of the road, and you can also see that for yourself. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment on this post, share this post, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below, so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. bringing it to you live and direct, just like always. Right now we are in Adazi Enu town in Anocha local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. And this is a virgin construction going on. This is a virgin project. The first time such project is taking place in this wonderful town. And I told you earlier that the Anambra state government is actually doing very, very well when it comes to road infrastructure development in the state. And also, don't forget that Anambra State, before now, has the best road network in Nigeria. Please don't misunderstand what I said. I said it has the best road network in Nigeria. I did not say it has the best road in Nigeria. What I said is it has the best road network. There is difference between road networks and then best roads. Okay. So what we are boasting of is having the best road network in Nigeria. Okay. In Anambra State, you will find it difficult or almost impossible to say that you cannot go from this town to the other town unless you get to a particular point or you get to a particular point. There is always a road to everywhere you want to go to. Okay, if you come to a town, there is always a road to anywhere. There's always a linking road to anywhere or any part of the state you want to go to. So that is what I'm talking about. And Anambra State has the best road network in Nigeria, and I can tell you that is a fact, and that's true because I've actually been to virtually every part of Anambra State, and I'm telling you that there is always a linking road to anywhere and everywhere. Okay, there is, and that is a fact. So you can see the quality of work that's going on here. Okay, this is actually one of the best quality of work I've seen in Anambra State for some time. Okay, these roads are actually, or these drainages are actually being constructed with high quality materials in the you can see that for yourself also. So also go to the other side. Now this is the particular side that leads to Nokwa. Okay, this area, this road now, if you follow this side straight down, it will take you straight down to Nokwa, which also from there you will get to Nobi town. That's in Idemili. So this is what the Anambra state government is up to. So please, would appreciate if you share your thoughts on the comment section. Tell us what you think about the current administration of Anambra State, that's the Soludo government. Tell us what you think about this whole lot of projects going on in the state at the moment, and rate this government. Let's know what you would rate the current administration. For me, if you ask me, I would say the current government or the current administration are actually doing well. If they continue like this, I don't think there will be any reason for anybody to complain or say anything bad about this government. The only thing I would I'm concerned about is the pace at which these projects are going. Okay, if these projects are actually being sped up a little bit, it will really make a lot of sense. So appealing to the state government to actually give a matching order to most of these contractors they awarded these lots of projects to speed up these projects, so that people will begin to see the effect of these governments in every part of the state. Okay, yes, so please don't forget to drop your thoughts on the comment section. Please share your ideas. You can also give us your own views Okay, we appreciate if you also give us your views and tell us more about these projects. If there are things we don't know yet, please you can also let us know on the comment section. And you can also address some other vital issues concerning the state government on the comment section. Please, it will really help us to really go a long way in helping us understand better what the state government is up to, because I believe that there are some persons or some individuals who work closely with the state government that this video also, and I will come across this video. So please, would appreciate it if you shed more light on what the state government is up to and and also about what they are currently doing in the state as of today. So this is it. We are still in Adazi Enu in Anocha local government area of Anambra State, and this is a virgin project that is being undertaken by the Anambra State government. So what I'm saying is the Soludo administration is actually doing well to an extent, and we hope they will continue with this pace so that the state will actually be the light of the nation that it ought to be. So guys, please stick on this video, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to drop your comment sections, your thoughts on the comment section. Also, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment on this video, please. It's very important to comment on this video so that we will know your thoughts and your ideas also. And if there's anything you would want the state government to work on or to do better on, you can also shed more lights on the comment section, so we would all be on the same page together. If there is also a place you would like us to go and get a view for you, please don't hesitate to let us know on the comment section, so we'll do justice to that already. Thank you very much if you have watched up to this point. Remain blessed, and please subscribe to this channel so you get updated on the latest major constructions going on in and around Anambra State, Nigeria. See you on our next video, and bye for now.